For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Protests against the union government's agriculture bills continued for the third day by opposition parties and farmers of several states. Opposition parties staged a protest in front of parliament premises against agriculture bills, holding placards which read, "Save farmers, save workers, save democracy." Leader of opposition Ghulam Nabi Azad, TMC's Derek O'Brien, NCP's Praful Patel and several other leaders were present during the protest. The opposition MPs boycotted the ongoing session over the centre's refusal to accept its demand for withdrawal of farm bills passed by Parliament. MPs of opposition parties who boycotted the ongoing Rajya Sabha session met at the chamber of Leader of Opposition in the House and discussed their further strategy on the farm bills passed in Parliament. General Secretary of Congress K.C. Venugopal took to Twitter and said that they will continue to protest until bills are withdrawn. Rajya Sabha MPs from all opposition parties formed a human chain in the parliament protesting against the anti-farmer and anti-labour bills passed by the government. We stand steadfast with our farmers and workers and vow to fight against these anti-people laws until they are withdrawn. Congress workers and farmers held a tractor rally at Mulanpur Dhaka in Ludhiana against the passage of agriculture reform bills in the parliament. For the first time in history, all the farmers' unions of Punjab came together to protest against the centre's agriculture bills. As many as 31 farmer organizations which have different ideologies are collectively protesting against the agriculture bills. Farmers in large numbers from 12 districts of western Uttar Pradesh hit roads opposing controversial agriculture bills. BKU leader Rakesh Tikait lashed out at the ruling party BJP and said that farmers will continue to protest across the country until the government gives some clarification. If MPs of the country don't have the right to ask questions, then why is Prime Minister Modi wasting 900 crore rupees of the public's income for the construction of the new parliament amid the COVID-19 pandemic? Till there is no agreement, the farmers of the entire country will remain on the roads. Assam Congress leaders also staged a protest against the agriculture bills and suspension order of 8 Rajya Sabha MPs, including Assam PCC President Ripun Bora. Assam Pradesh Congress Committee spokesperson Imdad Hussain alleged that the Modi government was trying to take away the rights of farmers. Under no circumstances will the anti-farmer bill be allowed to be implemented. 8 MPs, including the APCC president, were suspended for raising the voice of the farmers. They opposed the bills democratically but had to face suspension. The Narendra Modi government wants to take away farmers' rights to decide the prices of their agricultural produces for the benefit of the corporates. The monsoon session of Parliament, which started after nearly 5 months of indefinite adjournment, concluded today. Rajya Sabha cleared 7 bills in 3.5 hours in the absence of opposition parties.